Hi guys, and welcome to today's minute, I hope. I will show you how to enhance eyes. Let's start. Okay, this photo is almost done. The only thing I want to change is her eyes. I think they can pop out a little more. So let's go ahead and zoom in. And the first thing I usually start out with is to remove this black spots around the eyes. And the best way to do it is to click on the brush tool here and just select her eyes and the other eyes. And then if you want to see where you've selected, you can just click on this one here, or Command O if you're on a Mac, and Control O if you're on a PC. Okay, that looks good. And I usually just remove the shadows. The shadows and photos look dark, so if I remove the shadows, then they will, there will be no black spots. All right, so that's done. And the next thing I'm gonna do is to try to enhance the irises a little more. Is it irises or iris? I don't know. Okay, it should be irises, I think. You select the brush tool again, and then you go over her iris. And I usually like to bump up the saturation and the exposure and the clarity. Oi, that was way too much exposure. I don't want her to look like a zombie. Something like that looks good. I like clarity. There we go. And you can, depending on your photo, you can go as much as or as little as you want. And the next thing I'm gonna do is to select a new brush and enhance the white part of her eyes so that her eyes pop out even more. And I do that by enhancing the white, a little exposure. Not much though, because it could look really weird if... Sorry. Oh my god, 0.09. Better. And take down the saturation. If you have any red blood vessels in your eyes, then you can just remove that with the saturation. Alright, so that looks already a lot better, as you can see. One more thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna select the brush tool again, and then I'm gonna go around and over her eyes, and I'm going to enhance the clarity, a little bit of sharpness. Oh my god, that looks so good. And then a little more of the exposure, and that's done. Easy, huh? So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.